Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Fast Learning School. This is Shuja Karmakar in front of you with a new lesson on speaking English. This lesson is going to be very interesting today, so don't miss the class. Like, comment and share. Subscribe my channel, click the bell button so that you can get another video when it will be published. Okay, so let's get started. Today I am going to share with you how to make conversation with someone, okay, when you meet. So first of all, dear students, starting a conversation with someone, you can say, hello, how are you? This is the first impression when you speak with someone, okay? Then you can say, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. These sentences can give him about you a positive idea. When someone responds the question, then you can say, what do you do? What do you do? Okay? This question help you to continue the conversation. Then you can say, where are you from? Where are you from? This question is a sign of your eagerness to speak with someone. Okay? When people respond, you can ask about his journey. Okay? How to ask? How to ask about his journey? So let's know. Okay? You can to ask about his journey. You can say, did you have any trouble getting here? Did you have any trouble getting here? This question is a sign of you are interested about him. So in this process, you can continue your conversation. When you want to keep a conversation going, you can ask about his profession. Okay? You can say what he does for work. What he does for work. This question is a sign by which another one can understand you are more interested to know something about him. Okay? When a person reply on this question, you can ask him, what's your role in the company? What's your role in the company? So in this process, you can continue your conversation with someone. Okay? Before doing conversation, you have to be more confident. This is my first speaking class. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get another video when it will be published. So thank you very much for staying with me. Stay safe, stay happy and be confident. Okay?